this is the best dessert that I have made so far, and you only need 5 minutes. So if you're interested, please sit back, relax, and see how I did it. So it's been a minute, baby, but I am back. So on the ingredients, I only needed 200 grams of yogurt, and you need your Lotus Biscoff biscuits. You can just take any portions that you want, and the Biscoff cream crunchy. I love the crunchy one. So this yogurt is just natural yogurt, and you can just take any measurements that you want depending on your taste. So let's get into it. I just made 2 portions because I was making one for myself and one for my husband. So you just do as I am showing you in the video. So you take your Lotus Biscoff biscuits, and then you just share them equally or in your yogurt. You just see what works for you. You can even put more, you can even put less. I just put a little bit because this was my first time making it and I loved it, and I decided, okay, I'm gonna share with you guys. So you don't only have to make the Biscoff flavor, you can even make with Oreo biscuits. You can any biscuits that you have, and at the end it should be looking like this if you have put your biscuits and shared them properly. Exactly. And let's get to the Biscoff cream. So here I just used 2 teaspoons of Biscoff cream. You can just use more, you can use less, that's up to you. So you can just see that I am putting everything, and I just put it in microwave to melt it. So you just put it on low heat for 30 seconds or probably a minute on low heat so that it doesn't burn, and the consistency should look like this. And this was me just adding that extra flavor, and then you can just portion it on top nicely. If you want, you can even put it in piping bag and decorate it very nice. So since I was doing this for the first time, I was like, let's just focus on the flavor more. We'll just see how it goes. So you just have to share it amongst, it depends how many you're doing. You can even do more, but this is basically the trick, nothing much. So an easy dessert that you can even have every day. And one thing that I didn't tell you, it doesn't have that much calories. You have like almost like 214 calories, which you can even eat every day if you're having your diet. And look at how they look. They should be looking like this. Oh, this is so yummy. I hope you guys are gonna make it, and you're going to put it in your normal fridge for about an hour or less, but I would just recommend an hour so that your biscuits will become moist, and this is how they should look after they're out in the freezer. They look so good, and I really recommend this dessert. And let's make the first spoon together. Look at that, it's so soft. I didn't have to do much, and this is how it looks. This tastes so good. If you don't have that like extremely sweet tooth and you don't like things that are extremely sweet, this is your way to go. And considering that you only need 5 minutes preparing this, and you can even leave it overnight in the freezer and eat it, this tastes very good. When I saw this, I was like, no, I have to share with my little cake lab family, and they have to just see how we're making this dessert. And look at that, it tastes so good. If you are a fan of cheesecake, the taste is similar. And there I am showing you how they look, and this dessert is one of the best. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, press the notification button because you don't want to miss out on this great content that I am making. And if you're part of the lab, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for the continued support. Please tell me in the comment section what you think about this dessert and if you're going to be trying it. Otherwise, this is a 1. This is a 10 out of 10 and number 1, and please try it. Until then, goodbye.